So you want to learn how to code, but which language should you pick first? It's a question every beginner asks. There are hundreds of options out there. From Python to Ruby, it feels totally overwhelming at the start. I am Sarkam. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find your perfect starting point in tech. Starting with a hard language is a huge mistake. Many people quit because they feel stuck and frustrated early on. It leads to burnout before the fun part even begins. Let's avoid that together and keep your energy high. Remember, coding is just talking to a computer. You are simply giving it a very specific list of instructions. The language is the bridge between us and machines. Some bridges are just much easier for a beginner to cross. Your first goal is to learn the core logic. Once you get the logic, moving between languages is easy. Let's start with Python. It is the king for beginners. It looks just like simple, readable English sentences. You spend less time on complex symbols and more on solving problems. It is incredibly clean and beginner-friendly. Python is the top choice for artificial intelligence. It also powers the world of data science and research. Huge sites like Instagram and Pinterest use it for their backends. It is versatile, powerful, and very popular. Next is JavaScript. If you love the web, pick this. Every single modern website in the world uses it. It makes websites interactive and visually exciting. You see your results instantly, right there in your browser. With Node.js, you can even build a server side. It is the ultimate tool for any aspiring web developer. Then there is C#. Do you want to build professional games? Then this will be your best friend. It is the primary language for the Unity game engine. Most mobile and top indie games are built with it. It's also great for desktop apps and business software. It is a very robust, structured, and professional language. So how do you decide between them? Think about exactly what you want to build and achieve tomorrow. Pick Python for AI, pick JavaScript for the web, pick C# if you are passionate about game development. To start your journey, check out free resources like YouTube and official documentation. The key is to pick one and stick with it. The most important thing is to start coding today. Don't spend too much time just thinking about it. Just start. Subscribe for more tips, hit the like button, and leave a comment with your language. Happy coding!